Jatend migepe Mudavadi wacho ni ber ka piny Kenya jiwo tudruok mare mar ohala gi pinje Norway kod Sweden, tudruok mare wo piny owacho to kod kembe ji giwegi.
Magi ne oyangi romo mar ohala mane okelo kanyakla joket mwandu mawuok e pinjego.
Omedo ni winjruok moro amora mar ohala moketi owinjo kony jopiny e chwalo dongruok magi.
Mudavadi okwayo pinje mag Sweden kod Norway okony e keto yore mag ohala mabiro neno ni obadho ok obedo e chenro mar timo ohala.
I wish to acknowledge that our bilateral relations with Norway have grown greatly over time in environment, energy, health, and education sectors. We look forward to development cooperation on the blue economy and the co-hosted Ocean Seminar between our two countries next year. Meanwhile, Kenya is eager to mine Norway's knowledge and technical capacity in hydropower and solar energy production in our determination to cut down on harmful and sustainable emissions.
The implementation of the 2030 agenda is a high priority for both Sweden and Norway. For me, personally, as an advocate emerita of the Sustainable Development Goals, there is not a moment to waste.
Norway commends Kenya and its National Action Plan on Business and Human Rights, which is a comprehensive strategy to protect against human rights abuses by businesses, whether private or owned by government. As the first African country to launch such a plan, Kenya now leads the way in promoting responsible business conduct. I am confident that we can work together to establish a strong value chain for sustainable development.